tayo sa hooding ceremony, clinical first recognition in hooding ceremony sa medicine sa Centro Escolar University. Ayan. Ito yung auditorium. Sila mga mukhaan, iba itsura. Maganda old auditorium ng CEO. Kaunti lang ayos ba? Sino ba to? Ito kilala ko. Itong tatlo kilala ko. Ito hindi na ibang mga mukha mga pera sa likod. Ang presidente namin sa Attorney Concepcion.
Giving an inspirational message should not be taken lightly, because the message has to be inspiring.
Ito yung tinatawag na hooding. Ito yung mga estudyante. Estudyante, bakit dapat iba itsura?
Dr. Rosel Legaspi Abrasal.
So ayan, pag hooding, ilalagay yung hood sa likod. Yan ang hooding. So tinatawag na isa-isa.
If you take a look at the slides, the first line mentioned is their pre-med course. And the second line is where they will spend their postgraduate internship for 1 year in the specified hospital. Dr. Dre Miel Conreni Raimundo Torreno. Dr. Jerry's Daniela Sangitan Vigo.
The interim of 9 months, there was no imaging done, so only at this point they knew that there was an increase in size. After the 6 cycles, the decision.
Dr. Monica Eugenia Rayora Villanueva. And that completes our list.
Tinatawag na isa-isa.
Dr. Jasmine Bernardino Escote.
Sa isa, may picture pa.
Dr. Ryan Edward Inductivo Faustino.
So I guess we should take note of this. Marika, take note, this is a reportable case, so maybe we should take all the comments here and regarding the further management of the case.
Hawak na sa valedictorian si Sara Abalain.
And the outstanding graduates in the clinical rotations. May we request the chair of the department, which we will name, to assist.
To the best of my ability.
This is the Hippocratic Oath.
This covenant. I will respect, the hard-won scientific gains of those physicians in whose steps I walk, and gladly share such knowledge as is mine with those who are to follow. I will apply, for the benefit of the sick, all measures that are required, avoiding those twin traps of overtreatment and therapeutic nihilism. I will remember that there is art to medicine as well as science, and that warmth, sympathy, and understanding may outweigh the surgeon's knife or the chemist's drag.
Okay, natapos na talaga pala yung talk ako. Tapos na ang event. Ganun ang hooding ceremony, graduation sa medicine sa CEU.